Hey guys, how did y'all like learning about plotting and user-defined functions and all those things from section 3? Hopefully you enjoyed that. Now we're going to increase your knowledge again about MATLAB, and this time in this section we're going to cover what's called logical statements. So in this section we will cover how to use if and if-else if statements. So those are statements where you can basically make a comparison. So you'll be using concepts like greater than, equal to, equivalent, less than, those types of things. So these will allow you to create different branches in your code, so your code can be a lot more complex than what we've been able to do up until now. Also, we will go over switch case. It's just kind of a different variety of the if-else if, just kind of set up a little bit different. And then at the end, I'll teach you how to create a little pop-up menu that will allow your user to select from several buttons, and that is a new way to get input from your user. Okay, and you also got a couple of quizzes in there to test your knowledge, so hopefully you enjoy it, and I will see y'all next time.